Since mababa naman po yung reading ko, 104, gamitin ko na rin po itong time na to to measure yung blood sugar spike sa breakfast that I'm eating. So, ito yung the usual. Tabi ko lang muna yung mga gamit. This is the usual breakfast, no? I think Filipino breakfast, I would say. So, dalawang sunny side up na egg. Meron akong lumpiang Shanghai dito, fried, 4 pieces. Tapos, eksaktong 1 cup of rice. So, kainin ko siya. After ko kainin, measure ulit tayo ng blood sugar kung ano yung spike niya in an hour and ano ulit yung spike niya after 2 hours. Dapat after 2 hours, bababa na siya. Yeah. So, sige. Yun, so medyo lumampas po tayo sa oras, no? It's already 11, I think it's 11:17 a.m. Supposedly mga 11:06 dapat kumuha ng next blood sugar test. But anyways, it's still within 2 hours now. By the way, I needed to prep. Kalimutan ko, it's grocery day today. So I needed to prep. And yung next na blood sugar test ko will happen sa mall na mamaya after an hour. So yan. So this is after the breakfast that I ate an hour ago. So it's 138. So it's a good number. Na-mention ko kanina, 140 yung recommendation or yung good level that was mentioned by my endocrinologist. So 138 after an hour. We'll see after an hour ulit, which is 2 hours after breakfast, kung ano na yung magiging reading. So it should go down a little bit or mag same level lang siya. So see you after an hour. Yun, medyo mahirap yung situation ko ngayon, no? I just arrived sa SM. So dito po kami nag-grocery. Kung mapapansin nyo, madilim, nasa loob po ako ng kotse, but it's only 12:03 p.m. So kanina po yung last blood sugar test ko was conducted at around 11:16 or 11:17 a.m. So now it's 12:03 p.m. Same date. So kukuha po ulit tayo ng blood sugar. Here you go. Okay. And show natin, hopefully malinaw siya sa video. Ayun. Ayan, so as you can see, 121 na lang po. So I think nung pagkuha ko after an hour, 138 if I'm not mistaken. Tapos ngayon 121. So pababa na po siya. So conclusion, very good po yung breakfast na kinain natin today. A cup of rice, dalawang sunny side up na egg, tsaka 4 pieces na lumpiang Shanghai, fried lumpiang Shanghai. So yeah, I'll compare yung results po ng blood sugar today with the other days na I'll take breakfast. I'll make sure na apples to apples po yung comparison natin para maganda po yung magiging basihan natin. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Good day.